Myself Vinita Kasturi from Jain PU College. Today I will be giving you the introduction of how to complete the journal and how to maintain the journal. So here you can see, this is the journal which will be given to you people. When you open the journal, on the first page you will have that is a certificate page, where you have to write your registration number, that is your roll number, your name, and to which year you belong, that is PUC 1, and the year, that is 2020-21 you have to write here. Okay. Later, once the journal is completed, you have to write the date, the day you complete the journal, and you will get an examination number during the exam time. Okay. Only the thing is that you have to mention your roll number, your name, and which year you belong to, and the year, that is 2021. When you turn the page, you will find the index page, where you have to again write your name, class, and roll number. The index consists of four columns, that is experiment number, date of experiment, title, and page number. So we will be giving you the index. The list of practicals have to be written on the title, in the column, that is in the title, and the day we complete that particular practical, the dates have to be mentioned, and the experiment number, that will be having 1, 2, 3, you have to write it, and on which page that particular practical is been written has to be mentioned here, which will be given by us. Okay, we will be giving you the title and the page numbers. Only the thing is, you students have to fill the date, that's all. So for index we have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pages are there. 5 pages index is there. So every student needs around 1 to 2 pages to complete the index. Okay, so we will give you the index, so there is no need to think on that part. When you turn the page, you will find this is the rule sheet. This is the first page from where you are going to start the practical, but you should not write anything on this page, and this page will be numbered as 1. Students, here you have to note a point. You have to put the numbering for the papers. The rule sheet have to be numbered. So this page number, the first page will be numbered 1, then second page 2. With the help of pencil, don't use pen here, use pencil and number the pages. Only the rule sheet has to be numbered. Don't put numbering for the plain sheet. So if you just turn the page 1, this is page 2. So page 2 is rule sheet, and opposite to this you will have the plain sheet. So this sheet also will be considered as page 2 only. This together is page 2. Then this is page 3. Like this it continues, page 4, page 5, like this. You have to put numbering. Probably in every journal whatever you get, there will be presence of around 55 pages. So the last page, if I turn, this will be page number 55. This is page number 55. So this is about the journal. Now I want to show you one completed journal of our passed out student. Okay, so she has written her roll number, she has written the name, first year, and the year, academic year she has mentioned here. This is already corrected journal. Here you can see the index, how she has written it. You can see on the first column she has written the number of practicals, that is experiment 1, 2, 3. Here is the title and the page numbers are written here. Okay, so in this way systematically you have to write the index. This will be given by us. Okay, so you can see how she has written it. This year there is a reduction in the syllabus. So whatever you are seeing now, these many practicals are not there for you people. Only few practicals are there. So you will be making use of around 1 to 2 pages in the index. This is about the index. Now I am going to turn the page and I am going to show you the page 1. This is page 1. Nothing has to be written on this page. Please keep this in mind. Don't start writing on this page. This is page 1. She has numbered it as page 1. You can see it. This is page 2. Like this, you have to put the number. You can make use of pencil. Okay? You can make use of pencil. Don't use pen here. Use pencil. Now, I want to tell you one more important points what you have to keep in mind while completing the journal. Okay? Now, this is the plain sheet. In biology practical, this plain sheet is used to draw the diagrams. So students, when you get the journal, the first and foremost thing what you have to do is, you have to put numbers for the page numbers on the rule sheet, and you have to draw an outline for the plain sheet. You can see the outline which is drawn here. So every plain sheet, drawing sheet has to be, there should be an outline. It is compulsory in the biology practicals. And one more important point what you have to keep in mind is, you should not use any pen on the plain sheet. You have to make use of only pencil on the plain sheet, because this sheet is meant for drawing diagrams. So don't use any pen here. Okay? And one more thing what you have to keep in mind while completing the journal, here will be the writing part. This particular student has made use of black pen here, but it is not allowed. Please keep this in mind. You have to make use of only blue pen here, and if you want to underline something, you can make use of pencil. No using black pen, red pen, green pen, no other colors except pencil and blue pen. You have to make use on this rule sheet. So this is the way you have to complete. Your diagrams must be neat. Okay? Neat, labelings, everything should be done neatly. So you can see how neatly the journal is being maintained. You have to maintain in the same manner. So students, now what we have done is, related to your biology practicals, we are going to prepare the index. Here you can see the index. An index will be given to you people for this academic year. With page numbers will be given. It will be given to you people through the WhatsApp group. Please complete the index with page numbers. Okay? Once you get the page numbers, you'll come to know that this practical has to be completed within this page. For example, now you can see here, study of compound microscope. It is on page 3. Okay, study of morphology. It starts from page 4 to 9. For example, here you can see study of morphology from 10 to 13. Okay, so in this particular page between 10 to 13, this particular practical has got over. You have to finish it within that page. So with respect to other practicals also, it will be the same. Now you can just see how nicely the practical is being completed. In the same way you have to complete it. Now why I am telling you these points is, you have marks for your practicals. You have marks in the practical exam. You have 4 marks for practicals, journal to be completed, and it has to be certified. Certified means once you complete it, we are going to sign here. Okay, this is compulsory. If it is signed, then only you will be getting the marks. Here this is the new journal what I had shown you. You have to cover your journal with a transparent sheet, the way it is being covered here in this journal also, because it should not get dirty. So you have to maintain that is neatness, and it should be clean throughout the academic year. You have to maintain it so that it should not get spoiled. So these are some of the things which you have to consider, you have to keep in mind while completing your journal. How to complete the journal, which practical has to be written on which page will be given to you people in the in few more days. It will be given to you people. So I hope you have understood about the journal and how to complete it, and what are the points you have to keep in mind while completing your journals. Thank you.